what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another episode of Sneaker Talk. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We are almost at 400 subscribers. The goal is to hit 500 by May 15th. I know we can do it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, share the video, tell your friends. Also, follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. Also, before I get into this video, as you guys are probably aware if you watched the last couple of videos, I've been experimenting with microphone placement. I think I got a good one right here. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about the sound quality of this video. I know the last video was bad. That was one of the worst mic placements that I ever had, but let's get into this one. So just to start off really quick with this episode of Sneaker Talk, earlier today we got the Air Jordan 7 Hare neutral gray, or sorry, the Air Jordan 7 neutral gray, or the Hare 2.0. And I just want to check really quick, because last time I checked, they were still sitting on the Nike sneakers app. It is now let's see, I'm waiting for the app to load. It is now 11:26 and they are still sitting there. Let me just check sizes. Yeah, so they're still sitting from size 8 to size 12. 12 and a half is sold out, 15 is sold out, and then 13 and 14 are still there. So they're still sitting in most sizes as expected because of that $250 price tag. But let me know if any of you were advantageous enough to go out, spend that $250 for those Hare 2.0s. They are an interesting shoe. Maybe if the price goes down over time, I might get them. But there's no resale value in them, so I'm not going to get them right now to try to sell. It's not a shoe that I really saw fitting in my rotation as of right now anyways. Maybe down the line it might fit in. Anyways, so that shoe came out, and then tomorrow another shoe that's coming out I spoke about in my last video, I think, was the Jordan 1 Mid multicolor, or I think I called it the Felony Asani, the weird, it almost has a Melody Asani kind of vibe, and it's only coming out in women's sizes, not extended sizes. I was hoping that it would be extended, but it's not. That comes out tomorrow. Obviously I won't be getting one of those because it won't be in my size, but I do really like the colorway of that shoe. Now, last shoe I want to talk about, talked about it before in a bunch of videos, but this Saturday we do finally have the Court Purple Air Jordan 1 High coming out. Shoe that I'm really excited about. I actually have a raffle in right now for sneakers and stuff that won't be determined until a couple days after the real release. And I also have sorry. And then I also have 2 accounts ready to go for the Nike sneakers app this Saturday. Hopefully I could get all 3 pairs and resell 2 of them, but I mean, the main goal is to get at least one of them so I can have them for my collection. Really love this shoe. Might even consider buying it resale if I am not able to get my hands on it, but that's another story for another time. Now, to get into the rest of this video, as you guys read the title, you saw the thumbnail, this is called Buy What You Like. I am thinking about starting another segment, so you guys know how I have my Sneaker Talk episodes. I'm thinking about starting another playlist called Buy What You Like. And what would Buy What You Like be? Well, the reason why I thought about this is a couple days ago, obviously everyone knows about the sale that's going on Nike sneakers right now. Not Nike sneakers, Nike.com. I was able to get a sneaker that I've had before, really love, beat it up, classic sneaker, beat it up, and now I got a new one that should be coming in the next couple of days in the mail. You never know with the virus, things are moving a little slower. Might not get it to next week, but I did put in an order for it. Now, it's a shoe that doesn't have a bunch of hype. It's a shoe that not everyone needs in their collection. Not everyone sought. It wasn't super sought after, but it's a shoe that I like and I'm getting. Obviously, all the shoes that you see behind me and all of the shoes that I buy to keep, not to resell, I like. So obviously, all the shoes I buy are shoes that I buy to like. But why am I doing this buy to like segment? It's for shoes that I like that not necessarily everyone else likes, that I understand that not necessarily everyone else likes. So an example of this would be like right here, the Jordan 6 wash denim. This shoe is obviously still sitting. It was a shoe that I picked up this year late. I liked it enough to get it for the sale that it was on. I wouldn't have paid, what was it, $250 or $200, whatever the retail price was, but I did wait till it went on sale, and I actually really like the shoe. It's a shoe that not everyone else likes, but I buy it, I wear it, and it's my money. I do what I want with it. So this segment is going to be the upcoming segment. Buy What You Like is going to be for shoes that came out whether in the past, couple weeks ago, couple months ago, couple years ago, whatever it is. Shoes that I get that I personally like, that I know don't have necessarily too much resale value or too much hype. Obviously, once again, every shoe that I buy is a shoe that I like. But like, for example, right here, this isn't a sneaker. The Air Jordan 1 Bread, this isn't a sneaker that would be on a Buy What You Like segment, because obviously it was a shoe that everyone wanted, that everyone loves, and there's not very many people that don't care too much for the shoe. Everyone likes the shoe. But another sneaker, once again, I picked this one up recently. You guys saw me do my review on this. The Air Max 1 Inside Out. Once again, this is a sneaker that I really like, that I know a bunch of people aren't really checking for, don't really have too many feelings about. And then this right here, arguably my favorite sneaker in my entire collection, the Reebok Kamikaze 2. Remember the Alamo? Yes, I do have the screen on the outside to protect the ice sole of it. One of my favorite sneakers, but this one is another one. Really good Cobra that would have been on an episode of Buy What You Like. Sneakers that I buy that I know that not everyone else is necessarily checking for. So just look forward for that coming out later in this week, and I'll explain it more in depth when that video does come out. But that is another playlist that I'll be starting, so be ready to run those playlists as well. But that is it for this video, man. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. Let's get to 500 subscribers by May 15th, so I can do this giveaway for y'all, man. I have some really big things planned coming up, and obviously the main goal is 1,000 by the end of the year. And that is it for this one. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.